and welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, today I'm working on this Holden Barina. In other countries it's known as the Chevy Evo. Specifically, we're going to be changing the fan speed resistor. Now when you turn your key on and you go to turn your air conditioner on, say it only works on one of the settings, say it only works on number 4, then that is a clear and obvious indicator that you need to replace your fan speed resistor. Sometimes it can even not work at all. So you can either, in that instance, most of the time, it's always best to quickly swap out the fan speed resistor. We have them available here at Parts Factory Australia. If you do need it, link's going to be in the description of this video. Click on the title, it'll pop down, click the link, get the part, delivered to your door, free express post anywhere in Australia. And if you are international, don't worry, we got you covered. FedEx will get it anywhere you are in the whole world. And then yes, of course, use this video to DIY install it yourself. Save yourself some money. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory Australia. Guys, I won't muck you around anymore. Let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, if your car is right-hand drive, then your resistor will be on the left, vice versa if you're in other countries where you're driving on the other side of the road. Right, now, you come in here and straight away you'll find it should actually be 3 7mm screws. Someone's in the past changed mine to a Phillips head. So undo your 7mm, 1, 2, 3, and this trim will pop down. Guys, once you've undone the 3 7mm, the trim will pop down like this. You could just bring it and stick it completely out of your way. Alrighty guys, I looked into it a bit further. It is actually a 5mm spanner, or socket rather. The screws up, undo the 2 5mm bolts, and that little resistor is going to pop out into your hand and it'll look like this one. Now guys, don't forget, if you need them, we've got them available here at Parts Factory Australia. They are brand new OEM replicas, 3-year warranty. Throw it in and this is what's going to rectify your issue. I wanted to get in here and just show you how it all works. I've just got enough space. Alrighty guys, so I got the old one out. You can't really tell, there is no like defining obvious failure point or burn marks or anything, so you can't really tell, but all I know is this is a brand newie. Guys, once you've got it all back in, you can just plug the plug back in, just like so, and then let's test to see how she blows. Guys, believe it or not, just like that, that little resistor now allows me to adjust the fan speed by speed. Number 3, you can hear it's functioning on 3, and then of course 4 is faster, the way it was designed to be. Alrighty guys, put that cover back on, your 3 what were they, 7mm, and yeah, that's it. Alrighty guys, all done. Nice and simple, wasn't it? I hope that everything's gone heaps smooth for you, and I hope that it's all functioning as intended. If you haven't got the part yet, get it, buy it from Parts Factory. It's going to be $83.30, free express anywhere in Australia. Get it in your hand, install it with the video, and if you can, once you're all done, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We have heaps of TM Barina content, so if it is your daily driver or perhaps your daughter or one of your siblings' cars, you can help them fix their car with our YouTube channel to assist you. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas. Thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. I will see you next time.